Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is an MDF board with orange color background and I'm going to dot using light green from Fevicryl. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center. I'll keep some plumpy dots now. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll walk the dots now. I somehow chose this light green color. What other colors do you think will suit this orange background? Do let me know. I'll keep some dots now. I'll keep tiny dots now. Some more dots now. Small dots now. I'll walk the dots now. I'll walk the dots again. I'll keep some plumpy dots. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some more dots now. I'll walk the dots now. I'll walk the dots again. I'll keep some straight swipes. I'll keep some side swipes now. I'm sure this orange and light green dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.